Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2026. This is a general reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, hindi po ako unang magme-message or magpo-follow sa inyo para mag-offer ng kahit na anong services. Mag-ingat sa mga scammers at fake accounts. Okay? So, let's begin. Libra. What is the energy? February 2026. February 2026. Okay. Ooh. Mending. This is healing. So, meron kang pwedeng may patatawarin ka or ikaw yung patatawarin, no? Just take what resonates. But this is like healing from a past situation na medyo hindi medyo, naging masakit sa'yo, no? Naging masakit talaga. But, this is the time for you to see the good in the experience. Kaya, parang naisip mo na, kaya siguro nangyari yun. It's because of the lesson na kailangan ko matutunan, ganon. So, you are on that journey. Healing journey. Oh, part na rin to ng moving on nyo, oh. You are clearing or cleaning things up. You are removing the dirt, the negative energies. Nag-uunahan na naman yung mga salita sa bibig ko. Okay, so cleansing. Kasi alam mo, normal naman sa atin na may sama tayo ng loob sa ibang mga bagay, sitwasyon, tao. Dahil nga, somehow, meron silang nagawang mali sa atin. Pero sa totoo lang, no, tayo rin nagpapahirap sa sarili natin because hina-harbor natin yung energy na yon, yung feeling na yon, yung resentment, yung anger, yung disgust. Oo, or kung ano pang energy, negative energy towards someone, or even para sa sarili mo. Kasi minsan, self-sabotage, or minsan, parang we feel na kasalanan natin, 'di ba? Kaya hindi rin tayo maka-move on. So for you, you are clearing your path para mas mabilis maka-move on, 'di ba? Oh, example na lang, nasa kalsada, ang kalat, maraming obstacles, madumi, maraming basura. So syempre, mas maganda na i-clear yung kalsada, yung daanan na yon para dire-diretso ang biyahe, 'di ba? So that's what I'm seeing for you ngayong February. You are healing, you are cleansing, removing the negative energies, or anything that is no longer serving your highest good. Pwede rin tong literal na paglilinis ng bahay. Kasi alam nyo, malaking epekto rin yung environment mo, saan ka nakatira, saan ka naglalagi, no? Sa makukuha mong energy. Kung makalat, edi mas makalat din yung isip mo, magulo, no? Pero kung malinis, mas ma-organize mo yung iyong thoughts. You have TikTok. Yung iba sa inyo meron ditong mamadaliin or merong kailangang paghandaan. Ano ito? Parang, it's like time is running out. What is this? Oh, when it comes to your career, you have Sun in Pisces. In the 10th house. Okay, yung iba kasi pwedeng meron kayong parang some sort of confusion pagdating sa career, trabaho na gusto nyo i-pursue. So, this is the time na mas maging selective ka na. Oh, okay, ito. Gusto ko to. Bakit mo gusto yan? And what's in it for you? Anong maibibigay sa'yo niyan? Ganon. So, making decisions na with intentions talaga, na may dahilan kung bakit yun yung pinipiling mo for a certain career path. Okay, let's see what else. Libra, February 2026. What is the overall energy? Oh, the 8 of Pentacles. Busy. You're going to be busy as a bee. This can be learning, no, education, mga achievements mo, hard work. So yung mga pinaghirapan mo, meron tong resulta. Makikita mo yung resulta niyan agad-agad. Oo. within February. You also have, this is your challenge, the Magician. So, yung skill set mo, yun ang challenge sa'yo. Kasi, maaring meron ka pang hindi na-uncover or na-unravel na talento, abilidad, na kailangan mo ring i-explore at paunlarin. So, if there's something that you need to do, na alam mo sa sarili mo na, parang naglilinger yan sa'yo na, subukan ko kaya to, or gawin ko kaya to, pag-aralan ko kaya to. Kasi, pwedeng nandun yung interest mo, pero kulang yung iyong galing, or talento, or kaalaman. 'Di ba? So, importante, sa simula, nandun yung interest mo para masustain mo yung knowledge or yung learning na yon, para ma-acquire mo yung skill set. So, that is your challenge ngayon on how to acquire and harness your power, your abilities. And then, this is your opportunity for love. Oy, yung iba, okay. If, kung kayo ay nakapag-move on na, yung parang nag-heal ka na talaga, there is a person coming in. A new person coming in sa buhay mo. Kasi, alam mo sa sarili mo na handa ka na. Okay? So, some of you naman, this can be an opportunity for a new partnership, like a business partnership, like a commitment na papasukin mo. This can be a commitment sa work, sa project mo, sa relationship, connection mo with someone, whether this is a platonic relationship, familial relationship, or romantic. Now, this is your blessing, the Ten of Wands. Okay. As a blessing, it means that even if things can be overwhelming, like tipong maraming kailangan ayusin, gawin, kasi nga maaaring magiging busy ka eh, kaya mo siyang i-handle. Okay? Even if andyan yung pressure, andyan yung demand sa'yo ng trabaho mo, ng project mo, you still can manage, no? However, kailangan rin, alam mo kung kailan ka magbe-break, alam mo kung kailan ka magpapahinga. Kasi, syempre, hindi pa rin may iwasan yung, yung, tawag nito, yung mapagod, ma-burn out, diba? So, what is the focus? Ano yung focus? You're going to focus on your stability, especially on your finances, no? Financial stability, financial security. This is also about saving money. Okay? So, some of you, ngayong February, kung hindi kayo nakapagsimula ng ipon challenge ninyo, ngayong February nyo na yan gagawin. Kasi pwedeng may mga yung mga pahabol na gastos ng January. Kaya, ngayong February, sabi nyo, okay, dito na, February na, magsisimula. Baka meron kayong importanteng pagkakagastosan by September. Pwedeng may bibilin kayong valuable thing, no, for your birthday, mga September Libra, 'di ba? Twin flame, 2222. Ayan. So, this makes sense for your opportunity. There's an opportunity for you to meet your twin flame. This can be a person na merong parehong mission dito sa mundo, and magkakaroon kayo ng pagkakataon to meet each other and, do that mission. Alignment. Oh my God. Ang daming number 2. So, Libra, napaka-importante ng number 2 sa inyo ngayong February. You are going to align yourself to your divine purpose. Oo. So, yung iba sa inyo, marirealize nyo, ito siguro yung aking life's purpose. You have Venus in Cancer in the 4th house. Venus is money, values, no? So, something valuable ang masisimulan mo, no, sa bahay. Pwedeng magsa-start ka ng negosyo, home-based business, or you will start You will make an office, gagawa ka ng office sa bahay lang, home office. You will set up your home office. Some of you naman, syempre hindi para sa lahat, pwedeng merong birth, no? May manganganak. Pwedeng sa family mo, or ikaw yung manganganak, or partner mo. This can also be launching a business or a project na finally is happening na ngayong February. You have Mars in Aries in the first house. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng may mga madiliin, no? Make sense with the TikTok energy here. So, be aware, no? Maging aware ka sa decisions mo, sa mga actions mo, kasi pwedeng meron ka ritong magawa or maging decision na hindi mo pinag-isipan. Na pwedeng, ay, sayang, dapat pala pinag-isipan kong maigi. Oo. So, be careful sa mga mabilisan, madali ang desisyon or gawain na gagawin nyo. Magic remains even while you ground yourself and be practical. Okay. So, when it comes to your magic kasi is like manifestation, making things happen. Like, yung mga pangarap mo is, kumbaga nangyayari na in reality. So, magic remains even while you ground yourself and be practical. Ibig sabihin, mas possible, okay? Or mas madali. Mas madaling i-manifest yung mga bagay na practical for us. Like, for example, syempre sabihin mo, ang na-manifest ko, I want to be the President of the Philippines. Alanganin na sa edad. Tapos, hindi ka naman, capable of that. Alam mo yung ganun. So, something that you will manifest na kung saan in alignment of your energy, and at the same time practical, na alam mong achievable ngayong February. And you will work on it, okay? Ayun. So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.